What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and a lot of you have been asking me to post some progress of my air flares, and I got a little secret to the air flares, and the secret is that there's no secrets. Quan knows. Me and Quan have been practicing air flares at least once a week, sometimes twice a week together, and then I also practice at least 1 to 2 times by myself. And what I've come to realize is it just doesn't happen overnight, just like any other power move, any other move that does take time. And we have been practicing for about, what was it, 2 months?
2 months, yeah.
2 months, yeah. We've been practicing for like 2 months. To be honest, I think we're kind of still at that beginner stage. We're still like trying to get the swing. We're still trying to get our form right. We still barely have only one air flare, so it definitely doesn't happen overnight. But one thing that I have noticed is what we've been working on has gotten stronger and definitely more consistent. We used to fall a whole lot. Now we still fall a whole lot, just a little bit less. Each time we practice, we actually create like a list of our goals, the things we want to accomplish during this practice, and we basically knock it out one by one. Struggle, no struggle, you know, however we feel, we get through this list. So right now we are going to start knocking out this list one by one. Hope you guys enjoy. Yo, we just finished up our first part of our air flare training. We did our warm-up. We did 10 handstand holds, 10 one-hand holds with each hand. We did 5 sets of 5 illusions, 5 sets of 5 swings, 5 sets of 5 swings to a pike, 5 sets full out, and 5 sets in a controlled manner. As you might have noticed, there's a lot of struggle. So we're gonna do a little bit more strength training and conditioning to help us someday do an air flare. Check it out. right, y'all, that concludes the day of our air flare training. As you can see, there was a whole lot of flopping, and there's a whole lots of more flops to come. And like I mentioned, the struggle is real. We're just getting started on this. We're only 2 months in on our air flares, and even though it looks like we're still like struggling and still really sucky, 2 months ago we were even more sucky. So it's a little bit of progress. At least for us, we're starting to feel the control, and hopefully with consistent training, we'll actually be able to do consistent air flares as well. If you guys want to hop in on this training, feel free to. You can use our training regimen. We actually started with a little bit easier one, and we slowly worked on our way to this part, so you guys could take it down a notch or take it up a notch, or go ahead and consult your local air flare extraordinaire, because there ain't no training like somebody right in front of you saying, that's wrong, that's right, you suck, you all right. So yeah, get on the air flare training if you like, and happy air flares. And don't forget, gusto or busto. Meaning,
bust.
if you ain't going for the gusto, then you're gonna hit a busto.
Max bet.
Yeah. Peace.